I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system has an Intel GPU and current drivers installed, because Intel-only systems need specific handling. Once done, download the NVIDIA Profile Inspector ZIP. It's a standalone tool, so you don't install it. Make sure to extract into a folder you control, like desktop or documents, and unblock the executable in File Properties. You'll need administrator rights for later steps, so sign in or prepare credentials before continuing. This avoids interruptions when adjusting profiles. You now run NVIDIA Profile Inspector as administrator so changes can write to system settings. This is essential. If the tool refuses to detect an NVIDIA adapter, enable compatibility mode or use a driver shim that exposes profile interfaces. This works because the tool manipulates profile files rather than hardware. Once the program opens, load an existing profile or create one for the target application or game, and adjust power, anti-aliasing, and sync settings. Be methodical and save incremental backups of each profile. You finish by saving the profile, applying changes, and restarting the target app so the new settings take effect. This step enforces the modified profile. If nothing changes, make sure the tool was run with administrator rights and that files are writable. Reinstalling the tool or restoring drivers can unstick permissions. As a key troubleshooting tip, keep backups of original profiles and user settings so you can revert quickly if a profile causes instability. Restoring the original file often resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.